Hello, myself Harshada Jagtap and I am from Dhule, Maharashtra. Thank you, Febina, for giving this golden opportunity for the home chefs. Thank you for giving this beautiful apron and for this masales. And today I am going to prepare hands-on trees. Now let's get started. Now let's see the ingredients. I have 250 grams of chicken keema, 2 tablespoons of chopped onion, 2 tablespoons of spring onion, 2 tablespoons of capsicum, salt as per your taste. And this is 40 grams of noodles. This is 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of tomato sauce, 1.5 teaspoon of vinegar, 1/8 teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon of red chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon of green chili sauce. Now we will deep fry these noodles. First heat up your kadai and flame must be on low. Now it's ready. Heat up your pan, then add oil. After adding oil, add 2 tablespoons of onion. Your flame must be low. Now onions are brown in color. Then we will add 1 tablespoon of garlic. After that, we will add 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce. Now we will add 250 grams of chicken keema. Now we will add 2 tablespoons of capsicum. After that, we will add the spring onions. The flame must be After that, we will add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. After that we will add 1/2 teaspoon of vinegar. After that we will add red chili sauce. After that we will add green chili sauce. Now stir fry it properly. Now we will add 1 teaspoon of salt. Now leave it on high flame for 5 to 10 minutes till it get dry. Now it's done. Off your flame. Now we will remove in a bowl. First keep iceberg lettuce cubes on the base. Then add this stuffing into it. Now it's ready. I will give this. This is mayos and this is salad. Some cold drinks will go better with this dish. Now it's ready.